Hi ma'am, my name is D. Rizwan. I am from ECP section. My roll number is 234G1A0495. My topic is forward and reverse bias from engineering physics. Discovering the behavior of PN junction diode. Welcome to the fascinating world of PN junction diodes. In this presentation, we will explore the importance of forward and reverse bias for understanding these tiny but mighty electronic components. What is a PN junction diode? Definition: a junction diode is a two-terminal electronic component made of p-type and n-type semiconductors that allows current to flow in one direction but blocks it in the opposite direction. Structure: the p-type metals has an excess of positively charged holes while the n-type metals has an excess of negatively charged electrons. The junction between them creates a depletion region, a barrier that controls the flow of current. Applications: PN junction diodes are common in electronic circuits, from rectifiers and voltage regulators to light emitting diodes and laser diodes. Forward bias of a PN junction diode. Point 1. Explanation: applying a positive voltage to the P side of the diode and negative voltage to the N side decreases the depletion region and allows current to flow through the diode. Point 2. Behavior: forward bias reduces the resistance of diode, allowing a larger current to flow. The current increases exponentially with the voltage flowing. The Shockley diode equation. Voltage characteristics: the forward voltage drop is typically around 0.6 to 0.7 volts for a silicon diode. Beyond the threshold voltage, the diode behaves like a short circuit. Reverse bias of a PN junction diode. Explanation: applying a negative voltage to the P side of the diode and positive voltage to N side increases the depletion region and blocks current flow through the diode. Behavior: reverse bias increases resistance of the diode, creating a leakage current that is very small in ideal diodes. However, in special diodes like Zener diodes, the reverse bias voltage is designed to allow a controlled breakdown and a current flow. Voltage characteristics: the reverse voltage is the voltage at which the diode starts to conduct in reverse bias. It can be from a few volts to several hundred volts for high voltage diodes used in rectifiers and power supplies. Comparison of forward and reverse bias. Current flow: forward bias allows current flow. Reverse bias blocks current flow under normal conditions. Resistance: forward bias reduces the resistance. Reverse bias increases the resistance. Voltage characteristics: the forward voltage drop is small. The reverse voltage is high. Applications of PN junction diodes. Rectification: converting AC to DC voltage in power supplies. Switching: toggling between on and off stages in digital circuits. Clipping: limiting the voltage amplitude in audio circuits. Conclusion. Summary: forward and reverse bias are essentially concepts for understanding the behavior of PN junction diodes. They have widely applications in electronic circuits, from rectifiers and power supplies to digital and audio circuits. Futuristic perspective: PN junction diodes are also the basics of solar panels, which convert light energy into electrical energy. They may hold the key to a cleaner and renewable future. Thank you.